Before mounting your P-disc, it is important to choose the right spot inside your car. To use the P-disc legally, it needs to be placed in the bottom right corner of your windscreen on the opposite side of the driver's seat. With the two magnets on the side of your device, you can easily attach your P-disc on your windscreen. It is important to choose the correct spot as the magnets will stay in place once positioned. Let's prepare the windscreen to ensure the magnets will stick well. Make sure that the inside of your windscreen is clean, dry, and not too cold, ideally over 15 degrees Celsius. Now, remove only the protective foil from the magnets, exposing the adhesive. The magnets should stay on the device. Next, press the P-disc with the sticky adhesives facing the glass against the windscreen for about 20 seconds to mount it in the desired location. The magnets are designed to stay in place. If you need to adjust the settings of the P-disc, replace the batteries, or clean the windscreen, the P-disc can easily be removed and put back in place thanks to the magnetic mounts. The device will easily snap back onto the magnets with the built-in metal pieces. You can remove the magnets if you want. Be aware that you will not be able to reuse them afterward and will need a replacement pair. You can get new magnets in our shop at OONO.com. Happy parking!